Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to learn how to pronounce some words in English. Shall we get started? Ant, ant. Butterfly, butterfly. Cat, cat. Dog, dog. Elephant, elephant. Fox, fox. Giraffe, giraffe. Horse, horse. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Lion, lion. Ladybug, ladybug. Monkey, monkey. Mouse, mouse. Owl, owl. Orange, orange. Penguin, penguin. Rabbit, rabbit. Spider, spider. Turtle, turtle. Tiger, tiger. Umbrella, umbrella. Unicorn, unicorn.